Today we're going to be working on Equals Math Skill Drill Worksheets 2C4. And the topic of the worksheet is constructing a set to match 5 and 6. So again, we have two worksheets to work on the same topic, but they are a little different. Each sheet will ask for a little bit to demonstrate the skill in a different way. First, what I would have you ask your child is to identify the pictures on the worksheets, because that's something fun that in its vocabulary that your child may know. So you can ask them, what are these? And you can talk about sharks, ask them if they like sharks. They can identify the fish. You can ask them where the fish live. What does a fish do? A fish swims. Again, these are starfish. Your child might just identify them as stars because I don't think that their devices have the word starfish. On the second sheet, we have buckets and we have dolphins. And I know a number of the children in the class love dolphins. Between the two sheets, I'd have you start on this worksheet that has the two sets of different pictures. And the first is going to ask you and your child to find 5 of one item. So you can count them with your child first, using the child's index finger. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And then you can count the second set. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Oh no! So you can say, this isn't 5. There are 6 fish, but there are 5 sharks. And the correct answer for this sheet would be to circle the set of 5 sharks. So rather than circling each shark individually, we want to indicate the set that has 5. And you would repeat those same steps on the second question, where you can see there are 5 starfish and then there are 6 fish. So again, go through and count each picture with your child, but you want to indicate that this is the picture of 6 items. For the second worksheet, you're going to demonstrate the 5 or the 6 items in a slightly different way. You can have your child count out all of the dolphins. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. But the number is 5. I would ask you to have your child find the number 5 on his or her device. And this is trickier, and this is a skill that's hard for many of the kids in my class, is to only count out the number 5. So lots of times students want to circle every picture. In this case, you only want them to circle 5. So if you want to make this an errorless equation for them, an errorless activity means that they can't make a mistake, you could fold the paper up so that only 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 of the whales are showing. And then your child could scribble, circle, mark, somehow mark only 5 of the pictures. If your child is able to count and you get to the number 5, you can say stop. We only want 5. And many of our students are going to want to circle each picture. So again, when you come to the second set of pictures, you might want to cover the 7th and just ask your child to circle each of the buckets. Or you can count as they circle. And if you see that your child's moving to circle the 7th, you can say, stop. We're only circling 6 buckets. So this shows 2 different ways that your child is able to demonstrate how to construct a set to match the numbers 5 and 6. Good luck and have fun with this. See you tomorrow.